Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So as promised, I have today first holiday promo. To me this is very exciting because it's all about brushes. You know how much I love makeup brushes and how much I love Rephr brushes, and when it comes to natural hair brushes, they are definitely my favorite. They are handmade in Japan, and what I also love about them is that the price is amazing for handmade Japanese brushes. So this promotion runs from 19th of October, so today till 30th of October. In this promotion there are 3 different deals and I will go through them with you in a minute. And the reason I don't have any eye makeup on, because I thought I will use the brushes and do a quick look. Let me read so I don't get any of it wrong. So you get a choice of Flagship eye set. Over the last few months, they worked with the suppliers to bring the prices as low as possible, which I think is amazing. And they sort of chosen customer favorites, and they brought the price down at just $12 a brush, per brush. That is amazing. So they have 2 Flagship eye sets. So the first one is brush number 1. So this is you can lay eyeshadow all over your eye. You can even use it in a crease and here. This is very versatile brush. Then you get number 2. This is a bit shorter, more dense. This is amazing at applying your mobile lid color. Then number 3, love this brush. This is your little pencil brush. I love applying my lower lash line eyeshadow with it, and you can just do detail work with that one. Then brush number 12. This is like a fatter bullet brush. Again, I sometimes use that one so if I've applied darker color under my lash line, then I will take a lighter color with this and buff it out. But you can also work here in a corner with that one. Then number 15, you know I use 15 so often. This is my blending brush. Love number 15. And then you get number 29. This is tiny straight edge detailing brush, so for your eyeliner and stuff like that. But that's not all you are getting. So this is what I'm really excited about, and I never told you about it. I've had it for a while. They've come out with modular vanity components, like acrylic boxes, which are also magnetic, so you can arrange them how you like. And in this eye set, with this eye set, you will receive these two components. So in here you can put your brushes, you could put your foundations, whatever you like. In here again, lipsticks, but you can also put brushes in here. So you will get this absolutely free with this eye brush set. So that's what you get in the Flagship eye set. And all this, the promo price for this is $72. Regular price would be $120. So that's what you get if you choose this set. The next set is also a Flagship set, but more of a set for hooded eyes. So in here there is a couple more of my favorite brushes. So again, you get the brush number 1, you get the brush number 2, and you get the brush number 3, and you will also get the 29, the little detailer, but the other 2 for your hooded eyes is the 13 and 14. So this is your Flagship hooded eye set. This one will retail for $72 as well, and you will receive this modular vanity 2 components. I really love the fact that they are magnetic, so if you ever collect more of them, you can arrange them your own way. So these were your two flagship sets. Now this is a holiday set, and in this set you have 3 brand new brushes. I haven't even used them. I kept them nice and pristine just to show you. So you get in here brush number 30, so that can be your, that's definitely powder brush. Oh my god, they are just so soft. Number 30, number 31, this is, looks like foundation brush to me. It feels very, very good. I haven't tried it, I can't wait to try it. And then this very interesting brush, number 32. Again, it's almost like a baby sister of that one. And I think this could be your concealer brush, but also it's quite stiff, quite dense. If you wanted to pack on color, it's got this lovely shape to just get here in this corner. So you could use it for both things. Like, I'm not really into using brushes for my concealer, so I probably would use it for my eyeshadow. And with this set, you also get complimentary modular vanity bits. Again, you will get this one. This is as one. And you will get 2 of these components. These are amazing because you can put your eyeshadows palette here, or you can put your bronzers, blushes, anything like that. You know, like in those shorter ones you can put blush or bronzer. Palettes are a bit bigger, so you might want to put palettes at the back. And you are getting 2 of those. And also I can stick it to this component. So I think these components are such a great idea because you can arrange them on your vanity or in your drawers. And this holiday set will retail, it's 40% off, so you can get that for $136 instead of $226. Amazing deal. Now, so there is 3 more modular vanity components. There is another one like this, but this doesn't come with your holiday sets, but I'm just showing you what they have. Then there is this component, and there is another one that I don't have that looks like this, but instead of being slanted is straight. So you will also be able to, I think, purchase these at 20% off on their website. Okay, I hope this was clear. Quite a lot of information. I think this is absolutely amazing. The price for these, for natural hair, handmade Japanese brushes, you probably won't get better deal anywhere else. Okay, let's do an eye look now. So I thought I will use Natasha Denona Glam palette. This one and the new retro palette are my favorite. And you know, this one looks pretty grey and cool. But you see these 4 eyeshadows, you can get a bit, it's still more on a coolish side, but you have that gold with it. So, and this has been my lately almost everyday favorite look, you know, when I want to be quick. So I will use the brush 01 for my crease, just to apply it, and I will apply this blend color. This one's got really nice density, because if you used 15, which is a bit more fluffier, you probably wouldn't get the same payoff. So this one is tiny bit denser, so you can really see it packs on the color, you know. And then, so I hold it first like this, hold it that way, and apply the eyeshadow. Then I will turn it this way and I can blend out a bit this eyeshadow. This eyeshadow looks quite light in a palette, but it is not as light, and it looks warmer, but it doesn't translate as warm on your eye. And with the same brush, I'm just going to shade my outer 7. Remember, if you want to see all my tips and tricks on putting makeup on hooded eyes, I have a whole playlist, so I will have that link here and maybe at the end of the video. Now on the same O1 brush, I'm going to go to this shimmery brown, which is called Outer Eyelid, and I will apply it here under my crease just a bit, and again in the outer 7. That will deepen out this crease. I will take the 15 and just blend out the edges. Now I will take the O2 and go into this gold eyeshadow, which is called Center Eyelid. Remember, with these really shimmery eyeshadows, you want to sort of pat and drag with your brush. That's how you get the most payoff. This is such a beautiful gold. You know, I am not that much into golds, although they look good with blue eyes, but I like this type of gold. Now with brush 03, I'm going to go into the outer eyelid, that shimmery brown, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And then I will take the 12, that bullet brush, go back into that lighter brown blend and blend a bit underneath this one. Now let me try this brush 32 from the 3 New Holiday collection and see how this will work if I pack on eyeshadow here. So I'm going to take the Smoke, this brown. I really don't like those names, you know, the Inner Corner Smoke, because it's fine for me, but when I'm trying to explain which eyeshadow I put on, it's really hard. Right, so this fits. That is amazing. So you know, when I usually use my P66, Hulu P66 to work in this corner, but this fits so nicely. And what you do with this one, because it's quite dense, just almost stamp your eyeshadow and then you can blend it out. Oh, this is definitely what I'm going to be using this brush for, not for a concealer. Love that. That does really quick job, really quickly for you. It's got that right shape. Wow, love it. And again, I'm going to go to 15 and just blend the edges upwards and outwards. Now I will take the 29, the little detailer brush, and I put it in this one, which is called Lash Line. I probably will wet it a bit so I can use it as an eyeliner. And again, I can really tightly get under my eyelashes and also on the top of my lashes. It's so tiny that it's so precise, so you won't make your line too thick. Let's wing it a bit. Then I will take another 03 brush and I will go to that gold eyeshadow. I actually wet this brush because I want this in my inner corner. And now I will do my lashes. So this is the finished look. I love this look. I feel it's a bit smoky, but it's not too much. It's very neutral. I think it would suit anybody. And it's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's just right. So I really like it, and I've been I've been wearing that makeup a lot, like every day if I don't know what color I want to put on my eyes. Just before I go, because a lot of people often compliment me on my hair, and it is usually a wig. So today I'm wearing my old Raquel Welch simmer in shaded biscuit. Just couldn't be bothered to wash my hair and style it. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you take advantage of this promo. You can choose either kit, but if you can afford, especially with the eye kits, I would get both, because you saw me, I used brushes from both. But that's just me. I love brushes, and if I could, I would use 20 brushes for every look. I will leave you the link in a description box. Just to be transparent, I am affiliated with Rephr brushes, so I get a very small commission if you buy brushes with my link. But you know how much I love them, especially the price, because I like also Sonia G brushes, which are Japanese, but they are so much more expensive. So to get such a good quality brush for that price, I think is amazing. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.